Craving something cool, creamy and bursting with tropical flavor? Let's make homemade mango ice cream. For this recipe, you don't need fancy machine, just your hand mixer or stand mixer is fine. I made use of two big ripe mangoes for this recipe. So you are to peel, chop and blend them until smooth. You want that golden mango puree, nice and silky. In another bowl, you are to measure 500 grams of whipping cream, powdered whipping cream. You can also use liquid one, depending on the one you have at your disposal. Then I added 1 cup of chilled water. You are to cream this for 7 to 10 minutes. Do well to check the description box for the list of ingredients and measurements. After creaming for 7 minutes, I added 1 cup of condensed milk and then I mixed to incorporate the condensed milk. I mixed this for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I poured my mango puree into my whipping cream and then I mixed to incorporate. I did this for another 2 minutes. After mixing everything, now it's time to pop in the freezer. Let it freeze for at least 6 hours, but I left mine overnight. Once frozen, scoop and serve. Creamy, fruity, and full of sunshine. Your homemade mango ice cream is ready to enjoy. Let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet recipes. Stay cool and enjoy every scoop. Bye.